Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the tables and the types of tables in Snowflake. So, Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform designed for simplicity, speed, and scalability. One of its core features is its flexible table architecture, which includes three different types of tables to suit various data storage and processing needs. So, the three types of tables in Snowflake are permanent tables, temporary tables, and the transient tables. So, the permanent tables are the most common type of tables in Snowflake. These tables are used to contain the persistent data because the data is stored in the permanent storage. The data in these tables is retained until it is explicitly deleted. And these type of tables are ideal for the data that needs to be accessed frequently and kept for an extended period. The next type of table is the temporary table. So the temporary table exists only for the duration of a user session or the transaction, and after that all the data in the table is permanently deleted. So the temporary table is automatically dropped at the end of the session or the transaction. Such type of table is useful for temporary data that does not need to be persisted or the data that is only used for a small period of time or until a session expires. The third type of table in Snowflake is the transient table. So the transient table is a temporary table with an expiration time or limit on the number of rows. So this type of table is automatically deleted after the specified time or when the row limit is reached. This type of table is best suited for intermediate results or staging data. Moreover, it is also useful when you need a data for a short period of time and you want the data and the table to be deleted after it is used. So in such scenarios, transient tables are helpful. So if we make a brief comparison between the three type of tables, the permanent tables have persistent data storage and they are useful for the long-term data storages. Then for the temporary tables, the data storage is session-based and it is used for temporary data storage. Then for the transient tables, the data persistent is temporary and it is used for intermediate or staging data. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.